Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. The topic of the video is Symmetric-key Cryptosystem. So let's get started. When we categorize a cryptosystem based on the number of keys used, we have two categories. The first is Symmetric-key Cryptosystem or Single-key Cryptosystem, and the second is Asymmetric-key Cryptosystem, also known as Public-key Cryptosystem. So in Symmetric-key Cryptosystem, both Alice and Bob uses a single shared secret key. So as the name suggests, it only uses a single key for both encryption and decryption. Whereas in asymmetric-key cryptosystem, Alice has two keys. One is a private key that is only known to Alice, and one is a public key which is known to everyone. The same goes for Bob. He also has two keys, one private and one public. In this video, we are going to understand the symmetric-key cryptosystem model and also mathematically define that model. So let's dive deep into this. Let's first define all the components used in the model. We have already seen most of these components in our previous videos, but today we are formally defining them. The first is plaintext, which is the original intelligible message. This is a message that Alice has and wants to send it to Bob. The second is ciphertext, which is encrypted unintelligible message which is sent via the insecure public channel to Bob. The third component is encryption algorithm. This is an algorithm which converts the plain text to ciphertext. The next component is decryption algorithm, which is used to convert ciphertext to plain text. And the last but not the least is a secret key, which is shared by both Alice and Bob and used in the encryption and decryption algorithm. Having understood the components, let's understand the model now. So here we have Alice, the sender, and Bob, the receiver. Alice has an encryption algorithm which takes as input the plain text and the secret key and generates the ciphertext. Now this ciphertext is sent via an insecure public channel to Bob. Bob has an decryption algorithm which takes into input the ciphertext received from Alice and the shared secret key and generates the plain text. The ciphertext is sent via an insecure public channel. However, the shared secret key must be sent via an secure key exchange channel. This is because the resistance of a cipher to security attacks depends on the secrecy of the key, and once the secret key is compromised, all the security goals are compromised. Always remember that in cryptography, it is assumed that the encryption and decryption algorithm are public and hence accessible to the attackers. Hence, once the secret key is compromised, everything is compromised. So this was a diagrammatic representation of the symmetric key cryptosystem model. Now let's have a look at the mathematical equations related to this. Let's start with the notation that we are going to use. So we denote the plain text with the letter P. We denote the ciphertext with the letter C, and we denote the key with the letter K. Then we have encryption algorithm which takes the plain text and the key and is denoted by EK of P. Here P is the plain text and K is the secret key used. Similarly, for decryption algorithm which takes the ciphertext and the secret key as input, it is denoted as DK of C. Here C is the ciphertext and K is the secret key used. Having understood these notations, let's look at the equations. So the equation for encryption is C equal to EK of P. So we get the ciphertext by passing plain text to the encryption function and using the key K. Similarly, the equation for decryption is P equal to DK of C. So we get the plain text by passing ciphertext to the decryption function and using the secret key K. These two equations must obey one condition, that is, DK of EK of P is equal to P. This means that decryption of the encrypted plain text should return the plain text. This implies that the encryption and decryption transformations must be reversible and we must be able to recover the original plain text. This is called as conditionally secure. All encryption algorithms must be conditionally secure. This was all about symmetric key cryptosystem model. Symmetric key cryptosystem are further classified based on the transformation used in the encryption algorithm. So the first category are substitution ciphers and the second are transposition ciphers. In substitution ciphers, we have further categorization as monoalphabetic ciphers and polyalphabetic ciphers. The transposition ciphers are further classified as keyless and keyed ciphers. We can see that these two categories are not used simultaneously. However, in modern ciphers, we make use of both of them in the encryption algorithms. Such cryptosystems where only one of the two transformation is used are called as classical cryptosystems. These are the earliest cryptosystems used which lay a good foundation for understanding the modern ciphers. In the next videos, we will understand in depth about all the classical cryptosystem. So that's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any doubt, please do let us know in the comment section below, and if you have found the video helpful, then do like and share the video with your friends and subscribe to Be The Best channel for more such videos. Meet you in the next video of the CSS series. Bye bye.